Alright guys, here we go. This is number 39 Premium Hockey Mini. Number 39, number 13-9. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And number 9. Number 9, number 9, number 9. Okay. I'll go grab that real quick. Do you need to put one in those Primo packs? LeBron? Oof. That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. Alright, number 9. Number 9, number 9. Shot the load. Alright guys, let me grab those. Number 9. Give me a second. Numeral 9. Not sure who put that sticker on me or my buddy, but I think it's off-centered. Alright, here we go. Kim 2, Joe Sal 4, John 2, Chris 5, JD 2, Bill Burr 3, Joe Sal 1, Craig 2, MVB 3, Bill Burr with 7. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Leo Elo on top, Leo Elo on the bottom. Good. Okay, I feel like we haven't done a hockey mini helmet forever. Alright, Bill Burr, Bruins, Sabres, Flames, Blackhawks, Stars, Canadians, Devils, Islanders, Blues, Leafs, Craig, Wild, Canucks, JD, Kings, Pens, Joe Sal, Coyotes, Wings, Predators, Rangers, Knights, Avalanche, Knights, John, Avalanche, Panthers, Kim, Hurricanes, Senators, Leo Elo, Ducks, Blue Jackets, Lightning, Caps, Jets, MVB, Oilers, Flyers, and Sharks. Alright guys. I think it's a headliner of his entire series. Yeah, it popped up on my thing. He sent me an invite. Alright guys, let me know when we're ready to roll. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Three divisions. It's an ice helmet. Fake news, that's an ice helmet, I believe. Very nice mini helmet. Very nice mini helmet of David. Hold on. David Pasternak. Very nice for the Blackhawks. Very good player. Very, very good player. Very good, very good. Pasternak. 802856. Very nice. Very nice lid there for Boston. For the Boston Bruins, going to Bill Burr. Bill Burr, super nice helmet there, man. Very, very nice. That's the one to get for the Bruins. Alright, Bill Burr. Okay. Did I say the Blackhawks? For $350. No, not $350. Alright, Bill Burr with 10. Free spot for you. Alright, guys. Let's see if anyone else is joining us. ELP, what you doing to me, bro? No, I didn't say that. Fake news is fake news. Why do you think you got the nickname Fake News Jeff? I didn't say that. 5 times for 5 times. Randomize it up. I did not say that. Once, twice. 3, 4, 5. And Chris, you got a free spot for you. And Bill Burr. Very good. Number 39, Premium Hockey Mini. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. $39, Premium Hockey Mini. A lot of nice helmets in there, guys. Lots of nice helmets in there. 39. Alright, hockey jersey. Last one, the series next. I have 11 left in the premium football jersey. 11 left. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Stay tuned. Hockey jerseys coming up next. Thank you, thank you.